Ready to record this. This is part 2 of I Love Nature. And well, tell me what that means in the comments because I have no idea. I said that earlier. That's the tree of life. We just saw a lightning bug. That's a freaking bridge. And I am not, that's the thing I climbed. Here, I'm gonna climb it right now. Because all progress of recording ruins. I hope I don't get ran over. And don't try this at home. For the sake of recording, Dad. Ow. And I'm going to skip my butt down here. Like I did earlier. Hurt. Dad, hold up. Oh, God. Okay. I just realized how late it's getting. Like, holy crap. We spent half a day at the park. I'm gonna pause this and wait till we find the car and get in. Alright. And magic edit.